not reading the question carefully. This is the common mistake which students make while attempting the audit exam, and this is being highlighted by examiners also. Okay, so this is Gaurav, and in the next 1 minute, we are gonna see what I mean when I say student don't read the question. Okay, so I was checking a question of one of my student, and she didn't read the question. And how do I know she didn't read the question? We will see. So the question was mod company. So mod company manufactures and distributes fashion clothing to retail outlets. Okay, its year end is 31st July. Okay, very important thing. In audit exam, all dates are very important. Okay, they are important. Then you are audit manager and the year end audit is due to come in shortly. The following three matter have been brought out to attention. Okay, there were three matter in the question, but I want to show only one because the main mistake was in this. So bank loan. Modco secured a bank loan of 2.6 million on 1st October 2020. Okay. Repayment of 200,000 are due quarterly. Okay. With a lump sum payment of 800,000 due for repayment in January 23. The company met all loan payment in 2021 on time. Good. But was late in paying April and July to 2022 payments. Okay. Read the scenario, read the introduction. Now the question. Describe four substantive procedure you would perform to obtain sufficient and appropriate audit evidence in relation to the above matter. Okay. So what students do is instead of four, they write five or six. Only four are required. Why are you making it five or six? Just write four and try to finish the exam. If you know five or six, finish the exam and then come. No. Okay. So please write only how much is required just to save time. If you have time in the end, you can obviously go back to the question and write more. Then this is my student answer in black, and whatever is in red is being written by me. Okay. As a feedback. So the first point she mentioned is obtain a copy of non documentation to confirm Modco has received a bank loan of 2.6 million. Okay. And I know most of you would have ignored this fact. Our year end is 31st July, but we took loan in 2020, like previous year. Okay. 20 to 21, then 21 to 22 audit we are doing. So this year we took loan. Like not we, the company took loan. Okay, so this is not a new loan. So do you think the amount will be same? No. The years will be same? No. Okay. That is why this procedure is wrong. She took it as a new known. Like we took new known. She wrote the procedure of new known. But this is not a new known. So what can be the procedures? See, you did PY audit, right? So you can agree the opening balance with PY audit files and financial statement. You will get to know if it is correct or not. Okay. This is regarding the opening balance. And regarding closing balance, you can obtain confirmation from the bank. Okay, regarding the outstanding balance, like how much we have to pay. Done. But if you are mentioning the full amount and the number of years for the loan that is not being taken in this year, it will be considered as a wrong procedure. Then, in second one, ensure that the split of loan of 2.6 million between current and non-current liability is correct and is properly disclosed. You would be like, oh, this is okay, Gaurav. No, this is not okay. See, it's July 22. We have to pay the entire loan in January 23. This is 8, 9 months. And anything that will be paid in 12 months will be recognized as current liability. So there will be no split. If there is no split, this point is wrong. Then third point, for the 2.6 million loan repaid, agree the final settlement amount as per bank to cash book and bank statement. Wait. She said final settlement. But final settlement is happening in January. We are in July 22. We cannot agree the final settlement now. So this is again wrong. Then in this point, she mentioned new non-taken. This is not a new non-taken. Match the new non-taken with cash and bank. Okay. And on this because of dates. If she would have read the dates properly, she would have scored 4 out of 4. But now 0 out of 4. And then see, in the scenario, it is mentioned that they make late payments. Okay. And there is no procedure for this. Why? You should relate it to scenario, right? So you would have written, see, there is late payment. So there might be some penalty. So you can write point for penalty only. You can review bank correspondence to identify whether in the late payment penalties are there. And then you can agree it to P&L and just ensure they are as finance charge, not as penalties, because it is because of the loan we took. Okay. Or else, and see, this current liability. You have to ensure the loan is disclosed as a current liability. The split is not there. Okay. And we paid some, right? We paid late, but we paid some installment this year. So for any non-payment made during the year, you can agree the cash outflow to the bank account. Simple, right? But the only mistake she did is not reading the question very carefully.